learners. Today, we are going to talk about the formula of body mass index or BMI and solve one problem with it. BMI measures how healthy a person is by dividing a person's weight with the square of his or her height. That is why in its formula, it is written as BMI is equal to weight over height square, where weight is in kilograms and height in meters if we are using metric system. So, how would you know if someone's BMI is normal? Here's the table with BMI and their corresponding status. So now, let's have this problem.
If height is 1.58 m and his weight is 55 kilograms. Determine the BMI and corresponding status. BMI equals 22.03.
The individual BMI is 22.03, so he is considered as normal weight.